We move on to the 12th topic. It is on combinations to compute using combinations to compute probabilities. Now let's read this problem, understand it, and then I will talk about it. First of all, Tareen has 15 soccer trophies, but she only has room to display 9 of them on a shelf. If she chooses them at random, what is the probability that each of the trophy from the school invitational from first through in ninth grade will be chosen? So now there are total 15 trophies. That is n. What is your total number? That is always n. What is the selection? Selection is 9. That is r. Okay, 15 and 9. Now, what more do we know? We know there is no order, right? They have just told first to ninth grade. Have they mentioned the first grade must be first, second grade second, something like that? No, the order is not mentioned. So it is C. That's it. So now we here, because the order does not matter, here this is a combination problem. When we have combination, it's C combination, NCR. So it is 15C9. You can just put this in the calculator directly. Oh, sorry, it was there. 15, shift and use the symbol, division symbol, and R value is 9, and that is the answer. So these are the total possible ways to select 9 out of 15. So now what it means is there are 15, 1 to 15, right? Any 9 can be selected. There's no order in consideration. So 1 to 9 can be selected, or 1 to 8 and then 10th one can be selected. 1 to 1, 2 is not selected, whereas over here we have 9, we have say 10th one or 9th one, and in different ways. Basically, out of 15, you have to select 9 at random. How many ways you can do different selections of 9s? That is basically 5,000. Over here we had got 5005 ways. Now, here the formula is used. Since it's in your part B, you can use this formula or you can ignore this formula. It's the same thing. The formula for C combination is n factorial by n minus r factorial times r factorial. So what happens over here? It is 15 factorial, so 15 times so until 1, 15 times 14 times 13. But over here you have 9 factorial, right? So stop till 9 because this cancels off. 15 minus 9 is 6 factorial. Now you can extend 6 and simplify over here. You'll get 505, or just use the calculator. Now this 505 is not the answer. This is the total possibilities. We know probability is always what? Favorable outcome divided by total possibilities. So this is in the denominator. 5005 is total. What are the favorable outcomes? Favorable outcome is 1 to 9. So this is only one. So 1 to 9 must be selected. It's only one possibility. So your probability is 1 by 505. That is the answer. So 1 by 505. That's it. Now I will tell you a trick. Since in your part 1 and part 2, it's all options, and among the probability problem like this, there's only combination problem. So whenever you get problems such as these, you don't need to worry. You just need to find the n value, r value, and tell NCR. Find the total possibilities and divide it by 1 divided by that. That's it. Because they have asked only combination in your exam scheme, combination type of problems. There is no uh, permutation problem. So that is one way you can easily find out and directly use the calculator NCR because options will be there. Let's look over here. Kali has a choice of 20 flavors for a triple scoop cone. If she chooses the flavors at random, what is the probability that the 3 flavors she chooses will be vanilla, chocolate, strawberry? So over here there are how many? 20 flavors. So it is 20C over here, 20 types. Wait, let me just read it properly. Yeah, it's 20C3. I'm sorry, this is wrong. It's 20C3. Okay, why? Because n value is 20 and r is 3. So that's it. Now, what is the possibility that vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry will be in one single group? It's only one possibility. And the total possibilities are 1140, just like the previous problem. We just put it in the calculator over here, find this, and then divide it by 1. Same thing over here. You can solve this by yourself and then check for the answer. It is N9C4 and whatever the answer you get, 1 divided by that, because n value is 9 and r value is 4. So 9C4 combination. 126. You see they want which type of breeds over here? I think so it's sorry, 4 of the dogs. That's Cherish, Taffy, Hunter, and Maverick. These must be selected. So then it's just 1 divided by that. These are the dog names, sorry. And over here, similarly, look into the end. You don't even need to read I mean, it's important to read. Over here, yeah, you don't get the R value directly. Let's read it. Restaurant critic has 10 new food trucks to try. If she tries half of them this week, what is the probability that she will choose all these? Half. What is half of 10? 5. So the answer is 10. C, half of 10 is 5. That's it. 10C5. You'll get 252. 1 divided by 252 is the answer. Because to get this combination, there is only one possible way. Same way you can try others. Over here, it'll be 20C10 given and divide that by 1. And last problem, same thing, 12. Okay, there is no 4 directly given. Let's see how to solve it. An amusement park has 12 major attractions. 4 roller coasters, 2 carousels, 2 2 drop towers, 2 gravity rides, and 2 dark rides. The park app will randomly select attractions for you to visit and order. What is the probability that 4 roller coasters are the first 4 suggested attractions? So over here you can see they have told R is 4. 4, okay? 12C4 is the answer. And that must be divided by 1. And that's it. That is the answer. I hope this is clear. Combinations are only asked. So directly you can use the combination and solve these problems. 1 by 495 is the answer. That's the end of the topic number 12.